So, some key stakeholders from New York, including myself and some of my friends within their respected industries, have all been invited up to New Bedford, Massachusetts by the folks from Vineyard Wind. Going to be an agenda-packed 2 days where we close it out with an opportunity to visit Vineyard Wind Offshore Wind Farm. Alright, so one of the first stops on the agenda today is a quick visit over to the New Bedford Whale Museum. Have the opportunity to hear from the folks over at Vineyard Offshore today. Talk about topics such as the history of New Bedford town. Let me tell you something. I really dig this town. If you've never been here before, you should really come down and check it out. Also, they'll talk about the current Vineyard Wind 1 offshore wind project, workforce development, as well as other topics that you could see listed right here. So after the presentation today, we split up into two groups. The first group went over to Bristol Community College. I was lucky enough to go into the second group. And what we did today is we were able to come and visit the hurricane barrier as well as to where they store and put together all the wind turbines. Check it out. Next stop is Bristol Community College, where they have a specific educational center that is geared just towards the offshore wind industry. So let's take a quick minute to understand the basics of offshore wind. Offshore wind farms like Vineyard Wind 1 harness the natural power of wind to generate electricity. Sounds simple, right? Located off the coast, these massive turbines capturing the raw energy of the ocean breeze and transforming it into a force for good. So Vineyard Wind 1 is located 15 miles south of Martha's Vineyard in Nantucket and 35 miles from the mainland. And tomorrow we're scheduled to take a boat ride out the 35 miles to see the turbines. Listen, I'm very excited to see the turbines. I'm not that excited about taking a boat ride 35 miles out into the ocean. Just saying. 35 miles out into the ocean boasts reliable wind speeds, speeds that are the ideal condition to support wind turbines. This project, currently still under construction, has about 14 turbines currently up and operational. And upon completion, Vineyard Wind 1 should have 62 actively up and operating turbines. I mean, that's insane. Before I move on, if you think you're finding value in this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also, maybe you'll give some consideration to hitting that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. So when I upload future videos, you'll be notified. It's the morning of day 2, and it's a lovely day for a boat ride, my friends. That's it, it's a wrap. 2 days of hanging out with the folks from Vineyard Offshore was absolutely amazing. I was able to learn so much about the organization as well as the industry of offshore wind. If you're interested in learning more, I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. I also want to take this opportunity to give thanks to Andrea Bonilla, who's my contact over at Vineyard, for allowing me the opportunity to join in this amazing 2 days. If you ever get an opportunity and you can go out and you can see an offshore wind farm, do yourself a favor, go check it out. It's absolutely stunning. So until next time, my friends, I'll see you soon.